Is it really worth investing in products and time to style our curls? On this side, I'm going to go through my styling routine step by step. And here, the only thing I'm going to do is to remove the excess moisture so that it's not dripping. And there are those who say that it's not necessary to do anything to the curls because they're curly anyway. And if they're not well marked, it's because they're not curly. It's like saying, why do we eat well if we were born healthy anyway? Is it worth it every time we brush our hair? And some people think it's boring to take all this time to fix our curls when they are already curly. I think it is also difficult to be all day with unstyled hair. Will it really be worth that fixation we have on definition? I confess that this is my least favorite part of styling, but also my favorite part once I'm done. Clearly worth it. I think the detail here is that what is underestimated is taking the time to do things with detail, with love, and to appreciate ourselves. Which side are you on?